In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make scrolling button in Card. By the end, you'll have a button that smoothly scrolls visitors to a specific section on your one-page site, making navigation cleaner and more professional. Start by opening Card in your browser and head to your dashboard. Open the project where you want to add the scrolling button. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add option. We'll begin by creating the spot on the page the button will scroll to. Choose Control, then change its type to scroll point. This creates an anchor on your page. Drag and place this scroll point just before the content you want to reveal when the button is pressed. Position matters. The page will stop right where this anchor sits, so drop it slightly above your target content for a comfortable visual landing. With the scroll point selected, note the name field and copy it. This name is your anchor ID and we'll use it in the button link. Keep the name simple with no spaces. If needed, use dashes or underscores. Next, add your button. Click Add again and choose Buttons. Select the single button or a button group depending on your design, then expand its settings using the small arrow so you can customize it. Change the label to something clear like Learn More or See Details, so visitors know exactly what happens when they click. In the button's URL field, enter a hash sign followed by the scroll point name you copied earlier. For example, if your scroll point is called Features, the URL should be Features. This tells Card to scroll within the page rather than opening a new link. Card handles the smooth scrolling automatically, so you don't need any extra code. Position the button where it makes the most sense in your layout, often near the top hero section or alongside an introduction. Make sure the color, size, and style match your site's design for consistency and readability. When you're happy with the setup, click Done to confirm the changes. Publish your site, then publish changes to push the update live. Use View Site to open the public version and test the button. Click it and confirm the page scrolls to the exact section you intended. If it doesn't, double-check that the URL matches the scroll point name exactly, including capitalization and characters, and that the scroll point is placed just above the target content. That's it. Your scrolling button and Card is ready, and your visitors can navigate your page effortlessly.